Hello English learners. My name is Alice and welcome to a new video. And today I bring you lots of new words that have absolutely the same spelling but different pronunciation and meaning. So let's start. And the first words I've got for you today are present and present. A present is a noun and it means a gift. For example, she received a lovely present for her birthday. To present is a verb and it means to give, to provide, or to make something known. For example, the winners were presented with medals. The following two words are content and content. A content is a noun and it means the substance or material within something. For example, the book content covers a wide range of topics. Content is an adjective and it means to be satisfied or pleased with what you've got. For example, after a fulfilling meal, they left content and happy. The next two words are desert and desert. Desert is a noun and it means a dry, sandy area with little or no vegetation. For example, the desert is a harsh environment for survival. To desert is a verb and it means to abandon, to leave something or someone behind. For example, he decided to desert his old job and pursue a new career. The next two words are wind and wind. A wind is a noun and it means the natural movement of the air into the atmosphere. For example, the wind blew gently through the trees. To wind is a verb and it means to twist or to turn something such as a clock or road. For example, she has to wind the old clock every day to keep time. The next two words are record and record. A record is a noun and it means a written account or an achievement. For example, he broke the world record for the longest jump. To record is a verb and it means to make a permanent copy of sound, music, or data. For example, she recorded her voice for the audiobook. The next two words are row and row. A row is a line of objects or people. For example, the students sat in a row during the assembly. A row is a noisy argument or fight. For example, my neighbors often have rows. They shout at each other a lot. The next two words are sewer and sewer. A sewer is a system of pipes and underground passages that carry wastewater and sewage from buildings. For example, the city has a well-maintained sewer system. A sewer is a person who sews typically as a profession or hobby. For example, my grandmother is a talented sewer and she makes beautiful clothes. The last couple of words I bring you today is wound and wound. Wound is a noun and it means an injury to the body, typically involving a break in the skin. For example, she cleaned and bandaged the wound. Wound is a verb. It's the past form of the verb to wind. That means to twist or turn. For example, he wound the string around the spool. This is the end of our video, and if you've got more examples, I invite you to write them down in the comment box. Bye bye for now.